Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever noticed a blue line suddenly appear on your Samsung phone screen? Whether it's vertical or horizontal, this issue can be really annoying, especially if it doesn't go away. In this video, we'll discuss the causes of the blue line on your Samsung screen and walk you through how to fix it. Starting from simple steps you can try at home, all the way to more advanced solutions if the issue turns out to be serious. But the method I shared in this video, of course, is not due to physical damage caused by falling or bumping the cell phone. But because you accidentally activated one of the features, make sure to watch till the end so you can choose the best method for your phone. Let's get started. On your Android phone, swipe up to open the app drawer, then open Setting app on your phone. Scroll down until you'll see Developer options on the bottom menu. Tap on that. Scroll down until you find Pointer Location options. This menu is located under the Show Taps menu. If this feature is active, then this is the cause of the appearance of lines on the cell phone screen when touched. To eliminate it, turn off this feature. And if your phone screen often flickers when touched, then you can disable the Show Surface Updates feature. So those are the steps you can take to fix the blue line issue on a Samsung phone screen. From simple restarts to visiting a service center. Don't panic if you see a blue line. In many cases, it can be fixed without replacing your screen. So, I think that's enough for this tutorial. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment sections below. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to give thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial video. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.